Welcome back to Home Decor Hub. Hello and welcome back to our video on amazing kids bedroom design ideas. If you are a parent or guardian, you know how important it is to create a space for your child that is both functional and fun. In this video, we will show you some creative and practical ideas that will help you to create the perfect bedroom for your little ones. So let's get started. Choose a theme. The first thing to consider when designing kids' bedroom is to choose a theme. Think about your child interests and personality and let the guide your choices, whether it is a princess castle or superhero lair. A well executed theme can make the room feel cohesive and personalized. Utilize storage. Next, make sure to utilize storage in your child bedrooms. Children tend to have a lot of stuff, from toys to clothes, and it's important to keep everything organized. You can incorporate storage solutions such as toys boxes, shelves, and baskets to keep everything tidy and in its place. Add a color and texture. Another way to make a kid's bedroom feel fun and lively is by adding color and texture. You can incorporate color bedding, wall art, or even a funky rug to create a playful and inviting space. Don't be afraid to mix and match different patterns and texture to add visual interest. Make it interactive. Lastly, consider making the bedroom interactive. You can incorporate a playing area, a reading nook, or even a climbing wall to keep your child engaged and entertained. Interactive element can help your child develop their imagination and creativity. That's it for our video on amazing kids bedroom design ideas. We hope you find these tips and tricks helpful. Remember to choose a theme, utilize storage and color. By following these simple steps, you can create a space that your child will love and enjoy for years to come. Thanks for watching this video till the end. See you later.